Alright, anyway, so what I have going right now, it's only one farm, basically. Well, not farm, but it's only one system connected to it, and it's my auto furnace thing. It's not that great of a design. It's really, 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 really basic, but this is how I have it designed. Literally, you put chicken, ores, stone, clay, whatever you want in here, and this is your fuel. And when you fill up these hoppers, you can click the lever, and they will go and fill up all of the furnaces, which is pretty cool. Um, so that's pretty neat. So there's that. The reason why I have this is because I used to do a lot of auto furnace stuff back in the day, and I haven't done that in a while. So this is my system. In case you're wondering why everything looks like this, well, glass is so you can see the redstone and see what's going on. It's not hidden. Um, so I just kind of have it designed in a weird way. So if you don't mind, this is how it looks. This is the way I got it. It's pretty neat. So anyway, here's another system right here. Really simple. Click these levers, and that'll start these as well, which activates these dispensers. I don't have anything here yet. There's nothing specifically being used in this system, but I do have it, so that's what I'm doing. So that's what I got so far. And what's cool is that they all go to the same spot exactly because they're all the same amount of stuff. And yeah, anyway, yeah. So there's that. Basically, what happens is when this is finished, with its because this is the only thing I have connected to the main system, so I'll talk about this. What happens is this hopper here will slowly fill up with. I can't really access it from where I am, so um, as you can see, there's a bunch of chicken in here. And now that I look at it, this is actually isn't working properly because there's not enough chicken. Wait, why is it stuck? It's just stuck to on. I think I messed it up. Hold on, let me fix it. This will only take a second. Did I accidentally put it on for infinite, or did I? Hold on. There. Okay. So what happens is when you have something inside of a hopper, and you have a comparator next to it, it'll activate that comparator. Not sure how it works or why, but basically what's happening right now is the comparator is activated. It has a redstone activation because there's stuff in the hopper. I put that redstone signal into a block, which deactivates this redstone torch, which deactivates this redstone, which deactivates this powered minecart. As you can see, when the hopper is empty, the minecart takes off, and now it comes over here, where it empties all of its contents into this dispenser, which eventually will get shot out because this will keep going back and forth forever. And this will just kind of sit here until this detector rail is activated. So it's a really simple system. This is how you do loading systems. In case you're wondering, mine is really janky. I use a rail and a bunch of hoppers. It's because for some reason on my world, which I kind of get because my world's super massive and filled, it's very delayed. So the redstone signal doesn't actually go through properly. So it's kind of weird. But anyway, yeah, this is filled. So as you can see, it goes through, and this is all really simple. When you have a comparator, you need a repeater so it can actually activate it. This is an activated comparator, which causes this to flick a crap ton. This is basically a redstone torch and a repeater in one. So when one's activated and this is activated, it's basically rapidly activating and deactivating the redstone, which the observer detects. In case you're wondering why I'm using an observer and not like a redstone repeater, it's because it also activates the hopper. So if this is energized, so is the hopper, which means nothing can come out of the hopper. That's actually how it works, by the way. If you energize the hopper, it will not allow anything to flow through that hopper until it's de-energized. So basically, when anything goes into this hopper, this system gets activated and it starts spamming a bunch of the product out of the dispenser, and it flows through my elevator system, down through this water flow into this chest. Automation is basically done with just comparators. And to show you this, for example, when you have a hopper, and let's say you just filled up with a bunch of something, when you have a comparator, I'll show you real quick. Versus a redstone repeater versus a comparator. When you put these inside the hopper, this will activate. When you put it in here, this will not activate. You need a comparator. That's how it works. When you have this, as you can see, I'll show you. The reason why we use that little weird comparator thing is because you can do this. Okay, hold on. It's because you can do a little bit of this. So as you can see, as you flick on that little comparator, it'll allow you to make a system, which then allows you to, for example, here it is, do this. In case you don't know, if you activate the block that the torch is connected to, it will deactivate the torch, which will deactivate whatever's above it. If it deactivates, if you have something like here, pardon me, I'll show you here. So as you can see, this is activating this block, which deactivates this redstone torch, which reactivates this redstone torch, which deactivates this redstone torch. That's elevation in Minecraft, I guess, with redstone. This is also my torture chamber, so